Hello everyone, I'm Luca Balboni, the sales engineer for Print Italia, s.r.l. in Cento. We are a company that has been producing printed circuits exclusively in Italy for almost 40 years. We first met MACH3 LAB at Productronica in Munich in 2015, and in 2017 we had our first contacts about purchasing the Antares 700X machine. Before MACH3 LAB Antares 700X, we performed this type of processing manually, without any software and with much less efficient results compared to today. After purchasing MACH3 LAB, we now have a machine with manual loading, but the automatic product management software is what really allowed us to achieve better performance both during processing and in the finished product. During these 7 years of using Antares 700X, we haven't encountered major problems. On the few occasions when we needed to consult the technicians, particularly Dario and Roberto, I was pleasantly surprised by their quick response and efficiency in understanding our issues, which is typical of Italian character.